Hello everyone, in this short video tutorial, I will be demonstrating one of SOLIDWORKS creative surface tools, the Deform feature. We apply it to a simple bottle model and give it a bend or curved neck, showing how you can modify shapes in a unique ways beyond standard features. So let's begin by creating the base shape of the bottle. I start with a sketch of the front plane, drawing a profile that represents half of the bottle's outline, including body and the neck area. The bottle has dimensions of 9 inches of its height, and then the side of the bottle is 4.5 inches on its height also. So the bottom, we use those fillets. Once the sketch is complete, I use the revolved boss base feature to form the bottle in 3D. This creates a clean, symmetric bottle that shape and will later modify using the Deform tool. And now we are going to create another sketch on the front plane for our reference line. We're going to make that on the neck of the bottle, and then exit sketch and make another sketch again on the front plane for our curved reference line. The curved reference line we are going to use is the spline, so we could make and create any kind of curve in our own way. So let's try to edit that spline. On the side, we're going to that degree, and the other side also. After that, we are going to exit sketch, and then let's move to the main feature, Deform. Go to the Insert menu, choose Features, and select Deform. In the Property Manager, you'll see several methods available: point, curve-to-curve, and surface push. For this example, I'm using the curve-to-curve method to bend the neck of the bottle smoothly. I define the original curve along the bottle's axis, and then the target curve that shows how I want it to bend using those selected sketch I've created a while ago. After adjusting the settings, you'll see the bottle's neck deform into a more dynamic, organic shape as if it's been slightly bent or twisted. If SOLIDWORKS give an error like self-intersecting surface could not be created, try reducing the deformation amount or simplifying the guide curve. The Deform feature also have a lot of applications. For example, this Deform feature I've used on the charger cable that is also bended and twisted using the Deform feature. Thank you for watching.